I will show you how to make butter pound cake. For this cake we need butter, cake flour, sugar, I use caster sugar, eggs and baking powder. First you mix butter and sugar and you mix well until light and fluffy. This butter pound cake is really easy to make. It's really simple with 5 ingredients only, but you will get a really delicious pound cake. And you add the eggs gradually and you mix until well combined. Sieve the flour and baking powder and you mix this with spatula until well combined. I use silicone loaf pan 23 by 11 by 5 cm and pour the batter into the loaf pan. Preheat your oven 170 degrees Celsius and you bake this for 45 until 50 minutes. Ta-da! This is my delicious butter pound cake. I will cut this. If you use a silicone baking pan, you will find the top of the cake will be more crunchy but still soft inside. You see this? It's great. Now I want to try this. It's really buttery and soft. It's really good. You have to try this cake. Only 5 ingredients, but you can get a really delicious cake. I love this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give like and leave your comment and share my video so a lot of people can make this also. Stay safe and see you for the next recipe. Bye.